Let's get ready to use the Cannabis PowerScore platform as a quick and easy way to report your information to the Massachusetts Cannabis Control Commission. To prepare for taking the PowerScore Comply or benchmark surveys, you will want to gather a few pieces of information before you get started. If you gather this info beforehand, Comply should take around 10 minutes. For PowerScore Comply, you will need annual electricity consumption, on-site renewable electricity generation, natural gas consumption, delivered fuels consumption, water consumption, and production of cannabis flower. For PowerScore Comply and Benchmark, you will also need facility construction details, growing environment size and target environmental conditions, lighting system information, HVAC system type, water sources and consumption, and the annual energy, water, and production totals. If you use PowerScore Comply, these will auto-populate if you decide to try out Comply first, but then elect to proceed onward to use Benchmark to get your KPIs and facility ranking. If you gather this information beforehand, Comply and Benchmark should take around 30 minutes. Now you're ready to get started.